right here, all right?
There's the
ship. One-man travel channel here. We're on the Zodiac here with all of our intrepid travelers here.
That's right.
We're going to go climb a ladder. We're going to go up on this island and walk around. They got some of the long hikers way out there, but we're kind of the borderline slugs here, you know. So, but we're going to do our best here. Subscribe, I always appreciate it. And get me signing off. Bye-bye. Well, there's our ship out there. We come in here in the Zodiac. We come right down the bottom, climb up a little ladder, then climb up here. When we get up to the top, we got to walk down this long boardwalk here, and yeah, that's it right here. So okay, a little breezy here, a little chilly here. I had to put the old windbreaker on here too. Okay, well, it's a little breezy this morning. These are some old ruins from a ranch or something. They used to have cattle on here. That's what that big pier was for, to transfer the cattle off to go on the ship to be sold or something. So all kinds of stuff here. A little breezy today, a lot cooler. So I got the sponge thing on the GoPro, so hopefully I'll cut down some of the wind noise here. All right. This is the old original schoolhouse in here. Let's go see what it is. This is inside the schoolhouse here. It was pretty small. You got your seats there, and I guess you didn't have too many people on the island here. But yeah, nice old schoolhouse here. There's all the cattle there that we were talking about before. All right, let's get moving out of the schoolhouse here. Now down there, it looks like some modern quarters. Maybe that's where the staff lives, or the rangers, or whatever. Something left over from the old ranch. Well, you got the old barn here, and stockyards. Gotta watch where I'm walking here too. Gotta be safe. And oh, here's looks like one of the Torrey pines here, perhaps. I'm only taking a guess here, but kind of looks like it here. All right. Yeah. This is the old. Come down here and through the fence here, maybe. Let's see a little bit more in here. Yeah. There we go. We got a little fence here, but when you move up to the top, you got all your pulleys and whatnot in there. All right, come back out here now. We got something up here with these. I don't know if these would be boilers or what. Big openings on the bottom. I don't know what they'd be for. They're hard to say what that would be. I don't really know. But another building here. Okay, back on the trail. Then you got more of the barns here, the corrals or stockades or whatever. It was a pretty big operation here, I would guess, here, because it goes all the way up here and continues on. There's more buildings down there too. All right. Just walking along the trail here, a lot of little wildflowers all along here. Not so much right here, a lot of yellow ones, so we came across a lot of stuff back there. So, pretty leisurely trail.
We got our first poppies! Poppies.
Poppies up here, oh yeah. The yellow ones up there, I guess.
Up here on the left, your California poppies.
California poppy.
Our flower.
All right, this is a close-up of the California poppy.
Yeah, I just got
down
that
here. Yeah, so there's a little close-up shot you can get of it there. There you go. Okay, California poppy. California dreaming. Well, here's more of the California poppies right here, blowing in the wind here. I don't know how close I can get without losing focus. A little hard to see the screen on the back in the sun here. There's California poppies. Yep, right there. Lots of them along here. If I could stand up here, there we go. We're on a trail here. We're gonna keep on going forward here. Sky breaking up, getting some sun here. Looking good. All right. I don't know what this stuff is, but sure it's pretty. Anyhow, yeah, kind of nice in there. Yeah, up here. Little clouds. Now I bring the camera out of my pocket. Sun goes behind the cloud. Story of my life here. Okay. All right, we're coming up on a bridge here. Pretty good, substantial bridge. gigantic timbers, the size of those timbers on the sides. Although, I don't see any water. Maybe when you get heavy rains, there might be water down there somewhere. A little trickle. Stones down there. It looks like stuff that's been washed down there. So, I think you gotta have rains here. So, it might come down from up there and go there. But, pretty big bridge for the little crossing here. But, well, we're continuing on down the trail. Most of the folks there in front of me, I think for this part, I'm going to go toward the back here a little bit rather than be at the front at the tip of the spear. I'll be back here at the hilt then. So it's always a good spot here. Okay. Well, we got lots more of these poppies that they said were California poppies, but they may not be California poppies. They said there's all different varieties. These may be island poppies or they may be something else, but they're kind of close. They're close enough to California poppy. You get the general idea there. There's Shadow Man. There he is. He's looking at the poppies there. Okay, let's move on the trail here. Oh, looks like we're going down off to the side on the side trail here. Gotta walk the plank up here. We got a little bit of a water crossing. Better put the camera away here. Oh, we're still down here in this Cherry Canyon or something. So it's an undulating path up and down, because we're like in the canyon, as you can see, on both sides. So hopefully this is a loop trail, so we'll wind back up where we started, where we wanted to retrace all this. Because I thought they said it was only going to be a little bit over a mile. It seems like maybe 2 or 3 miles here, if you ask me. And there's little hills here and everything. A kid could use a little rest here, but I'm hanging in there here. Got to do it for M1 Man Travel. Okay, here's the trail here. It's kind of narrow, kind of quiet. I haven't seen any animals. Birds. A couple birds flying. A lot of flowers here because I had rain here, I guess, not too long ago. So everything bloomed, the sun come out. Alright. Nice and quiet here. Okay. Down there, a bunch of tadpoles. Lots of tadpoles down in there. And a little pool of water there. We got to cross over to the other side. Just like in life, sometime, eventually, got to cross over to the other side. So, okay, let's turn this off. Well, I think this is the turnaround point here, what I was just asking about. So, the guys are there. We're going to go back down there the way that we came here. So, we know what's coming ahead of us then.